It's time for Super Chicken. Champion of the weak, protector of the poor, uplifter of the downtrodden. Super Chicken, as you know, is in reality wealthy, mild-mannered play chicken Hunt Strongbird Jr., who, when disguised as Super Chicken, is the greatest swashbuckler of the age. Faster than a speeding pullet. Able to leap tall chicken coops in a single bound. More powerful than the 515 out of Dallas. It's Super Chicken, living example of his motto, the weak shall protect the strong.